Ethernet twisted pairs are slotted in category, or as we know it, cat numbers. The bigger the numbers, the better the protection from interference, larger the bandwidth or the data handling capacity, and the transmission distance. Twisted pair cables use the registered jack, or as we know it, RJ45 connectors. These 10 base T, where T stands for twisted, are 10 Mbps cables and basically are of two types, unshielded and shielded. Unshielded twisted pair has a transmission distance of about 100 meters, which is even less than 10 base 5 that can transmit up to 500 meters, and even 10 base 2 that can transmit up to 185 meters. Yet it is used because it is simple in use and is cheaper. While running these unshielded twisted pairs, or the UTPs, we must be careful not to route it too close to fluorescent lights, air conditioning or electrical motors for the obvious reasons. However, in case of SIPs where the interference is omnipresent, shielded twisted pair or the STPs must be used. The shielding in STP comes in couple of types. These are individual aluminum shield type cables just to avoid crosstalk in between them. And there are the overall braided shielded cables which restrict EMI from other cables and sources. The prudent choice for a survey spread mobilization would be the STP cables that are the combination of both, like the SF/STP cable that has a braiding and also is foiled. The shielded twisted pair provides a better immunity from the EMIs, but the transmission distance is just a little more than the unshielded twisted pair. The outer sheath of both unshielded and shielded twisted pair cables come in two variants, the PVC and plenum. The plenum cable is basically fire retardant, and also it has a special Teflon coating that in case it burns has only a fewer toxic fumes. Next is the fast Ethernet or the 100 base T. This 100 base T, as its name itself suggests, reaches up to a speed of 100 Mbps using the shielded twisted pair cables. Hereafter comes the 100 base F. F is the fiber optics. Now we will leave fiber for our another discussion and stick to the twisted pair wires. The actual copper the wire is composed of comes in two variants, solid and strained. In strained cable, each conductor is made up of bunch of very small wires that are twisted together. Strained cable is more flexible than solid cable and it doesn't break easily, so it is better in mobilization. However, strained cable is not very good in transmitting signals over long distances, so it is best used as patch cables. So in practice, in mobilizations, we should take care that the longest cable length should not be more than 100 meters. Hope this was interesting, a bit informative. Take care. We'll see you around.